welcome back. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make tabouleh. Tabouleh is a kind of salad which is considered as a very important appetizer on the Syrian table. And it's a very famous and popular dish in Syria. Let's say you are invited to a lunch or a party or dinner and you find tabouleh on your table. This means that you are one of the honored and preferred guests. You want to know why? Let's go now and prepare our own tabouleh. Make sure that all your vegetables are thoroughly washed. You need parsley, tomatoes, lemon, 1 onion, Roman lettuce, and olive oil, and also burgul. It's available in any Arabic grocery store. Add some water on the burgul and leave it for a while for it to be soaked. Using your hands, make a small bundle of parsley because you only need the leaves, and get rid of the stems. You have to cut the parsley so fine. And that's the secret of making tabouleh. That's how it's supposed to be. So fine. Now it's time to cut the lettuce in the same way. same applies to the tomatoes. It should be cut into 2 small, fine pieces. That's how it should look like. Squeeze your lemons to get the juice. Now put your fine vegetables into a big bowl. Add some salt, some dried mint, and your soaked burgul. That's how it will look like. Then add your olive oil, finally add your lemon juice. It's time to serve your tabbouleh. It looks yummy. I can't wait. It's time for my daughter Marwa to try it.
It's time to try my mom's tabbouleh. Mom makes tasty tabbouleh. Try it! Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!